If AirDrop is not working on your iPhone, whether you're trying to send or receive an AirDrop file or a photo, that's no problem because there are a number of steps that we can take to definitely get that fixed, and it only takes a couple minutes. So let's jump right in. Now, the first thing we're going to do is let's just close out of the Photos app and open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, you're going to walk through these steps on both devices. So I'm going to walk through them on my iPhone, but you'll also want to do the exact same steps on the other device, whether it's a Mac or an iPad or another iPhone. So toggle airplane mode on for a few seconds, and then wait and turn airplane mode back off. The next thing we're going to do, if that doesn't fix it, is scroll down and tap on General midway down, and then scroll down and tap on AirDrop midway down. From here, you can see receiving. If it's set to off, of course, you won't be able to receive any airdrops. So I would recommend switching this to everyone for 10 minutes. Again, do this on both devices. You can also turn on bringing devices together, which means essentially if you just bring both of the iPhones next to each other, it will essentially transfer that through AirDrop. And then the next thing is turn on use cell data. So if that's toggled off, just turn it on. And next, we're going to tap on Manage Known AirDrop Contacts. You'll be able to see lots of AirDrop contacts on here. You're just going to tap the little plus at the top right, and then you're just going to add, you can add their name if you want, but most importantly, add the phone number of the contact that you're trying to AirDrop to, and they should pop up automatically. Now, if this doesn't work, no problem. Let's hop out of here and swipe down from the top right. From here, press and hold where it has the airplane icon and Wi-Fi, and then tap on AirDrop here. And again, make sure it's set to everyone for 10 minutes. Just tap on that and try again. Now, if you go through these steps and it doesn't work, it could be an issue with iOS and not necessarily AirDrop. So let's get that fixed as well. Next, we're going to tap on the Settings app of your iPhone. Tap on the back arrow until you get to the beginning. And then just tap on General towards the bottom, and then choose Software Update, that second option. Just update your phone and the other device to make sure they are the latest network, and then tap the back arrow at the top left. From here, scroll down to the bottom and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then tap on Reset towards the top. And from here, we're going to choose Reset Network Settings, which includes all of your AirDrop settings. So just enter in the passcode used to unlock your phone. It says this will delete all network settings, returning them to factory default. Keep in mind, you will need to re-enter in the passcode to connect to Wi-Fi after you do this, but it should fix that AirDrop issue. If it doesn't fix it, all we need to do is a force restart or force reset on your iPhone. This doesn't delete anything, and I'll show you how it works. So what we're going to do is use the volume up. So press the volume up, volume down, and then press and hold that side button. You're going to hold it even though it says slide to power off. You're just going to wait until the entire iPhone screen goes black, just like that, and then wait until you see an Apple logo. When you do see that Apple logo, you can release your fingers, and you've done that force restart, fixing a lot of issues. At this point, a lot of creators ask you to like or subscribe. I'm not going to do that. I just want to thank you for spending a couple minutes of your day here with me. I know your time is valuable, so I really hope that this video helped you out and made your life a little easier today.